For better English learning, turn on the subtitles in your native language.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I like cooking. I never go out.
Why?
It never tastes as good as making it yourself.
What do you make?
I sometimes make spaghetti. I often make a vegetable dish or a salad.
Don't you ever go out for special occasions like your birthday?
No, I always cook at home. How do you pay your bills?
I almost always pay by cash.
Why?
It's more convenient.
Do you buy anything with checks?
I hardly ever use checks. Many places don't normally accept them.
Do you use a credit card?
I rarely use credit cards. I only use them to buy expensive things. I don't usually do that. My sister hates doing chores at home, so she has a maid.
Does her maid go to her house regularly?
The maid goes over on Mondays and Thursdays.
Does she often wash her own clothes, or does the maid do it?
I'm not sure.
Does the maid often cook for her too?
No, my sister loves to cook. She always does all of her own cooking. Do you go shopping at the mall a couple of times a month?
No, not really. I go about once a month, actually.
Oh, I go much more often than that.
Well, how often do you go?
I go a couple of times a week.
What store do you go to mostly?
I go to Robinson's most often.
Do you go exercise weekly?
I exercise now and then, but not that often.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel. Goodbye.